and the B. Learning objectives. 1. Ability proves itself by deeds. 2. Outlining the different roles the bees play within the honey bee colony. A wasp met a bee that was just buzzing by, and he said, "My dear cousin, can you tell me why? You are loved so much better by people than I. Why, my back is bright and as yellow as gold, and my shape is most elegant too, to behold. Yet nobody likes me for that, I am told." Says the bee, "My dear cousin, it's all very true, but indeed they would love me no better than you, if I were but half as much mischief to do. You have a fine shape and a delicate wing, and they own you are handsome, but then there's one thing which they cannot put up with, and that is your sting. Now I put it at once to your own common sense, if you are not so ready at taking offense as to sting them on every trifling pretense. Though my dress is so homely and plain as you see, and I have a small sting, they're not angry with me, because I'm a busy and good-natured bee. From this prey let ill-natured people beware, because I am sure if they do not take care, they'll never be loved if they ever so fair. A poem by Jane Taylor. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Whom did the wasp meet? Answer. The wasp met a bee. 2. Why is a bee loved better than a wasp? Answer. The bee tells the wasp that the people love her because she does not make any mischief, and she has also got a small sting, yet is good-natured. She remains busy and does not sting the people. 3. Name the poet. Answer. The name of the poet is Jane Taylor. 4. What did the wasp want to know from the bee? Answer. The wasp wanted to know why people love the bee more than it. Find their meanings. 1. Bright, shine. 2. Indeed, actually. Delicate, fragile. 5. Handsome, attractive. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 1. From this prey let ill-natured people beware, because I am sure if they do not take care. 2. If you are not ready at taking offense as to sting them on every trifling pretense, take the right option. 1. This poem is conversation between A. Hare and tortoise, B. Wasp and bee, C. Horse and mare. Answer. B. Wasp and bee. 2. My dear cousin, who speaks these words? A. Bee, B. Author, C. Wasp. Answer. A. Bee. 3. The bee is A. Busy, B. Good-natured, C. Both of these. Answer. B. Good-natured. Match the following. Column A. 1. Bees. 2. Birds. 3. Parrots. 4. Crows. 5. Frogs. Column B. A. Caw. B. Chirp. C. Croak. D. Hum. E. Talk. Answer: bees hum, birds chirp, parrots talk, crows caw, frogs croak. Let's enjoy the poem. Add commas wherever necessary. 1. All trees have leaves, bark and roots. 2. I love apples, mangoes, oranges and grapes. 3. We have ducks, cows and horses. 4. I had peas, tomatoes, curd and rice for lunch. 5. Tigers, lions and leopards are magnificent animals. B. Each line of the following passage has one mistake. Underline the mistake and write the correct word on the given space. Wasps belong to the same family as the bees and the ants. We can divide they into two groups: social wasps and solitary wasps. Social wasps live in two colonies as bees do. But their colonies doesn't last year after year. Every year, almost a whole colony is destroyed by the cool of winter. Social wasps use a sort of paper to make their homes. Answer: wasps belong to the same families as bee and ants. We can divide them into two groups: social wasp and solitary wasp. Social wasps live in colonies like bees, but their colonies don't last year after year. Every year, almost a whole colony is destroyed by the cold of winter. Social wasps use a sort of paper to make their homes. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will tell you some amazing facts about 5 different insects. Listen to her carefully. She will ask some questions in the end. Speak your answers aloud. Reading skills. The bees and the wasp and the hornet. Write the definition under the space given. The insect that creates honey. A sweet, sticky, yellowish brown fluid made by bees from nectar collected from flowers. The insect that wanted to steal the honey from the bees. The insect that was the judge. A hexagonal structure made by bees to store honey and eggs. The place where the honey was found.